Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicolene and today I have a brand new video for you guys. Yes, I am back on YouTube. I decided if I'm gonna be locked in the house for some weeks, I should dust off my YouTube equipment and get back in the game. So today's video is gonna be a fun video, and it's gonna be me following this TikTok trend of this girl basically demonstrating how to get a flawless finish on your foundation. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and follow her routine or her demonstration of it, and we're gonna see how it looks at the end. So I have the video already screen recorded on my phone, so we're gonna go ahead and you know, follow her routine and see how the result is and if I like it and stuff like that. So since we're on the topic of TikTok, if you want to go ahead and follow my TikTok page, you guys should go ahead and do that. I'm gonna have it linked below and all my social media. Definitely go follow those. Instagram, obviously subscribe to this channel, and you guys are gonna be basically updated with everything I do as far as, you know, me doing makeup videos, TikToks, or whatever.
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first, then after moisturizing, take some translucent.
So the first thing she says is to moisturize your skin. My skin is already moisturized. I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizer. So you guys can see that. There we go. Yeah, and this is basically a water gel moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid, so that should be good for your skin. And yeah, so my skin is already moisturized. And then she says to go in with your translucent powder.
I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much.
So we're gonna go in with some setting powder, and she said a translucent she said do a translucent setting powder. Normally if I will put powder on before anything, it will be after my primer, and I will use more of a setting powder that's close to my skin tone. That's something I will do in the summer, so I will be putting on this translucent powder. It is, let me see, it is the RCMA colorless powder that I will be using. I just transfer this powder into this smaller container so it'll be easier to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this translucent powder. She said just use a little bit, so we're gonna go ahead and not be heavy-handed with this. This will probably get messy. Oh my gosh, I look like a ghost. Okay, so we have our setting powder on, our translucent setting powder. Let's see what's next.
Then take some setting spray. Could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one.
So I'm gonna go in with the Scandinavia setting spray. Is this one? It's a really good setting spray, so we're gonna go ahead and use this. This smells so good. So we're gonna go ahead and let that setting spray dry, because we can't go ahead and put primer on. So that is the next step, she says, to put primer on. And I am going to be using, I have 3 primers I could choose from. I should go with the ColourPop All-Star primer. So this is the primer I'm going to be using. I feel like this will work best with this technique.
Take a primer and just put your primer. Also wait for the setting spray to dry first.
So we're still waiting for our setting spray to dry. There's still some wet spots. So like I said, I'm using the ColourPop primer. This is the All-Star primer. It's kind of like a milky primer, so that's why I'm using this one instead of the like backup primer that I also have. I think this will be best.
Then just put on your foundation. and just see what happens and how amazing your makeup is going to look. And it's going to stay on 24/7 and it's not going to crease.
So the next step will be putting on my foundation. The foundation that I will be using is going to be, I'm trying to find a really good foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Clinique foundation. This is the Stay Matte All For You Makeup Foundation. This is in the shade 29 Sienna. I'm running out, guys. I need to buy more. I just got makeup in my hair. Great. Okay guys, so I already blended my foundation and I do see a smooth canvas like filter effect on my face. It does look good on camera, but I feel like I still achieve this with my normal skincare routine. I think like I could still achieve this the way I do my foundation, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face because I look weird. I look super flat without anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my rest of my face. I'm just gonna do a simple look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows and maybe a little bit of contouring and just finish up. Set my foundation obviously. Okay guys, so I am back. I did a quick look. So to wrap this up, I did not put on mascara. I should do that. Where is my mascara? So I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara. Okay, so a mascara is on, and I also didn't set my face. Great. Well, does setting your face before applying your foundation counts? I don't know. Well, I'm gonna let my mascara dry a little bit so I could then put on some setting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and use this continuous setting spray by Morphe. This is my favorite. So in conclusion of testing this TikTok makeup, sorry, checking my hair, make viral makeup trend or whatever you call it, I believe that I could still achieve this finish doing my regular makeup steps. You could definitely try it if you want. It's not bad result, but I'm just not gonna go out of my way to remember these steps because my normal foundation routine works perfectly fine. So I'm just gonna continue doing my same skincare foundation routine. I don't know why I said skincare. So I'm gonna still continue doing my foundation routine like I've been doing because I feel like I still achieve the level of flawlessness and I'm just not gonna go out of my way to remember a new routine, even though it did work and it's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my brows because they look so bad. I hate doing my brows after foundation. So yeah, they look bad. So, and I need to get them done, but it sucks. I can't do anything. Can't get my brows done, nails done, hair done. Well, I do my own hair, so yeah. Don't judge me on my brows because what am I gonna do? I'm locked in my house 24/7. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you guys want to see more video on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, any social media platform that I link below because I will be actively posting on those and you guys could keep up with me if you guys want. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, like it and also comment on what else video you guys want me to do. Definitely will love the ideas and you know, a little bit of involvement in my videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed this like I said before, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.